Refreshing citrus flavored pastry cream with soft baked meringue and some crunchy almond flakes around it. This is citrus meringue roulade. Welcome to Kish Pastry. This is the recipe for citrus pastry cream. I'm adding lemon zest and orange zest to get that citrus flavor into my pastry cream. So first I'm gonna boil this milk with lemon zest and orange zest. I want to get that lemony flavor, orangey flavor into the milk. So my milk on the stove. Now I'm going to mix this egg yolk. Caster sugar, plain flour and corn flour all together. I'm gonna whisk it and leave it aside. So on stove, I'm going to boil this milk. Give a good whisk. I want to give that lemon and orange flavor into this pastry cream. Give a good stir and let it boil. Now I'm gonna pour half of my warm milk onto the egg yolk mix and give a good whisk. And I'm pouring back into the pot and I'm gonna cook this mix. Crème pâtissier or pastry cream is such a basic component, but it's very important in pastry world. I'm keep whisking. You can see it get thickened now. You have to cook it till it's thick. And same time when you cook, you will lose that floury taste because you add some flour into this recipe. Bit longer. I cook around 5 to 6 minutes. Now my pastry cream is ready. I'm going to pour it into a clean bowl and leave it in the fridge after. You can see it thicken now. It's very hot. And cover with the cling film and make it touch the surface. That is to prevent forming a skin. And I have to chill this. So here I'm going to make the meringue. Egg white into a clean bowl. Make sure when you make meringue, the bowl is clean, no fat. And I start whisking the egg whites. Add the caster sugar on the go. Whisk it to stiff bake. Now I'm going to fold these other ingredients gently. I don't want to lose that fluffiness of this beautiful meringue. Fold in corn flour and icing sugar gently. The corn flour will make it a bit chewy and cakey, this meringue. This is white vinegar, just fold it in. And I'm adding some vanilla paste to get some rich vanilla flavor into this meringue. I got the baking tray ready, buttered and lined with the parchment paper. And now I'm going to spread this meringue on this baking tray. And when you line the baking sheet, make sure it's come up to the sides. Otherwise it's very difficult to remove after bake. Spread it nicely. And always keep your oven ready, preheated oven, 180 Celsius. I'm going to bake for 10 to 12 minutes and just need that light golden brown color on top. And flakes almonds to go on top. That gives that nutty flavor and crunchiness to this meringue. The roulade gonna be very light, fluffy, creamy, and this nuts gonna give the texture. It's done, light golden brown color. Now I had to flip it over this meringue sheet. Just release it from the sides, the parchment paper from the sides. Another one on top. Flip it over when it's hot, otherwise it's very difficult to remove the parchment. Take off the parchment paper gently. And leave the meringue sheet to cool down. And meantime, I'm going to whisk some double cream. I want to lighten up my pastry cream I made previously. I'm going to add this whipped double cream, or I'm going to fold this whipped double cream into the citrus pastry cream I made before. And the pastry cream is cold now. I left it in the fridge. I'm going to loosen up a little bit and get it into a bowl. And now I'm gonna fold this double cream. This is 200 milliliters of double cream whipped. This makes my citrus pastry cream more lighter. This is orange juice. I reduce it by half to get stronger orange flavor. And I'm adding lemon juice. Mix all together. And now this becomes diplomat cream. When you add whipped cream into the pastry cream, it's become diplomat cream. I'm adding a drop of yellow food color to get nice yellowish color. And my citrus cream is ready now. The meringue sheet is cold now. I'm gonna cut this edge before roll it. And add generous layer of cream or citrus cream onto this meringue sheet. And spread it evenly. And I'm gonna leave some cream in the bowl. I want to pipe some on top of the meringue roulade. And now I'm going to roll this meringue sheet. Start folding from the one side. And using the parchment paper, you can do the rest. Now I'm going to use this ruler to make it tighter. So hold the bottom parchment sheet and press with the ruler. Light and fluffy, citrus flavored meringue roulade. I pipe some citrus pastry cream on top and dust icing sugar. I made this candied orange zest to decorate the roulade using orange skin. And some mint to go on top. Hope you like this video. If you got any questions, leave it in the comments. Check my other videos too. And hit the thumbs up button. Subscribe my channel. I will see you with another video.